Play. Okie dokie. Go ahead.
That'll what you're
Oh shit. Dad, turn this down. Can't hear.
Stop it.
Hush.
What the fuck?
Yeah! Sure! Part 2! James, let's go to the park. Okay, we'll have lots of fun! Yes!
Oh, we should Nope.
Where's the park at? Part 3! Good night!
Thought we wanted to go to park.
Good night! See you tomorrow! Okay! Yeah!
Then it sounds like a waddled duck.
Part 4! Let's go to the beach! The pictures!
It's kind of cold outside.
Pause for a second. Scene 2! Pause for a second. That was scene 1!
Dad, they jumped from 1 to 4, then back to 1. Y'all better get your scenes right.
This is a bootleg.
That is wrong.
This is one for you two.
Man, this pause is awful long.
Hey, Jennifer,
Because they're playing out the stuff.
Oh.
you should have invited some ice cream or something.
Well, y'all should have grabbed it.
Nobody talking to you, boy.
Because this is a movie, too.
Okay, a movie.
Why y'all break?
Hope y'all ain't going to pay.
I ain't got enough battery.
Be quiet.
Battery's not included.
Oh, man. That we were right.
It went right up there, didn't it?
That was some good shit.
See? Coming at ya!
What?
Let's go to the beach, guys. Hey, yeah!
You done watching the chipmunk?
I
Okay.
mean some ice cream.
What the heck is y'all doing?
You're swimming, man. Can you see the water?
Part 5.
What happened to part 2?
Yay!
I'm the greatest! And they're the losers. I'm the greatest. Yeah, look.
Thanks.
They're the losers.
Then we got Jerry Springer too. The Muppets.
Tell the police.
The Muppets on Jerry Springer.
Tell the popo.
Next week on Jerry Springer. The Muppets. Hey, Nene. Next week on Jerry Springer, The Muppets.
You honestly do it?
No.